Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this video, we will discuss how to build a simple portfolio using Salesforce Experience Cloud. As you can see, here is a demo resume of mine, but you will see the portfolio URL. So when I click on this URL, so it will redirect into my Salesforce Experience Cloud. See, here is the portfolio of Abhishek Kumar Singh, and you will see the two options that is about me and the experience. When I click on this about me, it will showcase of my experience details. Okay, and when I click back, so here's my click on experience. Here is a resume. I'm using this as just a sample resume. You can use your own resume. And just for the demo purpose, I just use a sample resume. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's create it from scratch. How to build a simple portfolio on a Salesforce Experience Cloud. Okay, I have just landed to my org. So here you will see the setup menu. Click on the setup. In the quick find box, search digital experiences. Okay, just search digital experiences. Okay, if not if it is not enabled, then click on enable. After that, you will see the all side. Okay, click on this all side. Just enable before moving to the all side. It's not enabled. Okay, so see already I have built a resume here. So I've created a new one so that you can learn it from scratch. Click on this new. Okay. So here is so many templates are like Microsoft LWR, build your own LWR. Just I'm taking the customer account portal. Click on this. Get it started. Here, name it, build a resume. Okay. And optional is portfolio. Okay, portfolio. Here, see already it is taken API. Already I've created it. Just mark it as portfolio URL. Okay. Just I'm renaming it portfolio URL because already I have made a okay, that one already used. Build your resume in Experience Cloud like this. Okay. Yeah. Just click on this create. It might take time to generate some theme over there. Yeah, you will see site was created here. Click on this workspaces. You will see the builder option. Click on this builder. Okay. Once the builder will be opened, here you will see the dashboard. Like, wait, it is opening. See, here's a template over. It's not fully opened. Okay, no issues. Just yeah, it's might take some time to reload the components. Okay, so let's just reload this. Okay, so click on this theme options. Just change the theme. I don't want this theme. I just changed my theme to some user interactive, that is Cyberpress. Click on this activate theme. Okay, so once the theme is activated, it will be shown in the builder options. Yeah, here you will see. Just click on this theme option again. Theme layout setting. I don't want the header first of all. Just remove this. Show hero. What is this? I think this one. No, I don't want. Just deselect the show header. Okay. After this, just cross it. Okay. Just delete the component. I don't want this component. Just remove it all. Okay. I also don't want this component. Just remove it. Everything. We'll see. Just remove it here. This also. Okay. So click on this. When you click on this, it will be show the hero panel. You will see type is call to action. Just click on this background. Change the background. Click on this. See. Click on this upload image. I've just downloaded the PNG file builder in the builder component resume. Okay. Here is the I just downloaded the PNG. All the PNG file. Okay. You will see PNG file. Item type is PNG file. I'm just using this for the background image. Okay. So see here it will be reflected here. Okay. Okay. Once the reflected, just scroll down in the content. See show caption content. Just add this portfolio of. So in the show title content, just rename this to Abhishek Kumar Singh. Okay. Portfolio of Abhishek Kumar Singh is reflected. Okay. primary button, show button. I don't want to show the primary button also. Just remove it. Okay, all this clear. Okay, so here it is. Just click on this home tab. Okay, you will see the new page. Click on this new page, standard. I want to add two, that is about us and our experience detail. Okay, new blank page. Click on this new blank page. Flexible to layout. Click on next. About us. About us. Just about us. About underscore us. Okay, just about us. Okay, just click on this create. Okay, same thing. Just remove the so header. Okay, I don't want this so header. It will be removed in the about us page. Okay, yeah, it will be removed. Just add the rich content. So go to the component, add rich text editor. Just add it over there. You will see. Click on this edit content. Okay, so here is my Word document. I'm just copying the first letter of the header. Okay, just click on this again. Okay, Control V. Just okay, here it is. Just make it as bold. Just make it as bold, italic, underline, and the font it's code. Make its font size. Okay, it is selected. Make its font size something. No, I want some 24. I want big also. Just yeah, it's good. Make it center. Okay, yeah, it's good. Fine. Yeah. So I think I add some format over there. There's a heading. This one. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, just change according to your requirement if you want something is okay. Just add another component, same rich text content. Scroll here. Okay, and just copy the rest remaining part of this. You can add your own about us. And just for the showing purpose, demo purpose, I'm just adding something about myself. Okay, just copy this. Make it font size 28 pixel. Yeah, it's good now. Make it bold. Yeah, italic. Yeah, I want. No, I don't want italic. Just to move it. Just make the font size is. No, this is not good. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's good now. Okay. Just add another page. Click on new page. I want experience. You can add many more page as you want. Okay. Experience. Yeah. Click on this create. Okay. Just add. Okay. Click on this component again. Add rich text. Okay. Just scroll down. Add rich text editor. Click on this edit component. Just add Abhishek Mar Senior Software Salesforce Developer. It's good. Resume. Okay. Just make it as bold, underline, and make it as font format should be your 36 pixel. Yeah, it's good. Make it center. Yeah. Okay. After this, just add another rich text content and add your resume. Okay. You will see the image option here. Just click on this. Upload an image. Here you will see the image. See, I'm using the just demo purpose. Make sure image your document should be a PNG file. Okay. I'm just adding my PNG file also. See here it is reflected. It for the demo process. I take it from Google. Okay. So yeah, just go to my home page again. Sorry. I'm going to my home page. Yeah, this one. I'm just going to my home page again. Next thing is to add the side page into the tile menu. Okay, so you will see the tile menu. Click on this tile menu, land page. Okay, you will see the default menu is opened. Just click on this tab down. You will see the default navigation. Just click on this default navigation. Click on this edit default navigation. You will see add item. Okay, just click on this add item about us. Okay, type is side page, and you will see the about us. Okay, page is about us, publicly available. Okay, just add an image, upload an image. See, I just downloaded it from the Google. Oh, you PNG file. You just downloaded it from Google PNG file. Okay, for the purpose of showing. Okay, sorry. Click on this. Add it again. I just want to add experience also. Add menu item. Just click on name it experience. Okay, type is side page your experience. Okay, publicly available, optional. In the optional, add an menu, upload an image. You will see experience images. Just okay, yeah, image is uploaded. Just save as. Okay, so image layout, you will see partial. It is good. And just it's there. Text formatting, click on this text formatting. The size is large. You will see it large. Yeah, it is good. Yeah, it is good, I think. Tile formatting, okay, it is good. Icon size I want is large. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, so just close it and click on this theme again. Color, page background color. I just add the page background color. I just take the RGB color, so it is some light color. Okay, just paste it. Okay, it's good now. Added. So you just need to publish your page. Okay, I'm just publishing my page again. Okay, yeah, but since you will receive when you want the confirmation when your changes are like. Okay, got it. Wait, so go to setting. Just click on this guest user login. Click on this build a resume experience cloud page. Just that is it is a profile of guest user. Okay, so just open it. Yeah, click on this edit. Yeah, scroll down. You will see the document. Click on this read option available. Okay, check this. Click save. Once saved, and just cut it down. Okay, I'm just going to my just publish this page again once again because you have made the changes again. Something. Yeah, it's a guest user login. Yeah, it's a guest user login. Okay, so change to click on this tab. Okay, you will see the administrator as mentioned. Okay, once you click the administration, you will see the settings. Click on this activate. Okay, just click OK. It is activated now. It might take some seconds to activate this. Yeah, your setting has been successfully saved. You will see a URL over there. Just copy this URL. Copy it in this. Okay, just copied my URL. Just click on this Chrome. I want to paste it. I think it's not copied. Go back. There it is. Yeah, just copy. Okay, I just want to copy. It's copied now. Just paste it. Yeah, click on enter. We will see without logging, you will redirect into the Experience Cloud. That is portfolio of issue commencing. Here you will see the about us and the experience details. And you click on this about us, you will see my details over there. Okay, go back. When you click on this experience detail, you will see my resume over there. I just added the demo purpose of resume. I just take it from Google. You can add your resume as you want. Just for the demo purpose, I added this. Okay, here it is a URL. Okay, you just once where it is. Yeah, here it is. Just copy this URL and add your resume to build your resume more interactive. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future update. If you have any comments or doubt, please write down in the comment section. Thank you.